Hello, I'm back in the classroom, but it's just me and Mr. Bones. There's no children. Lesson 1. Reading instructions on how to play a game. In Lesson 1, you will be reading a game called Robot Wars. Read carefully, then draw how you think the game is played. Lesson 2. Reading a recipe. You will find this recipe in the Rainbow Book on page 120. Here is another fun game for you to play at home. It's rock, paper, scissors. But with the twist. Why don't you take a game that you already know how to play and change it a little bit, and you could write about that game.
Los que dat weer. Today we're going to be showing you rock, paper, scissors with a twist. Instead of using our hands, we're going to be using our whole body to do it. I'm going to be showing you rock, paper, and scissors. Here's the twist. We're going to play this game on a trampoline.
Okay, let's go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! So Adam was rock and Kai was scissors. So rock beats scissors. Let's try one more time. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! There we go. And the paper beats rock. Now I think you're ready to write your own set of instructions. Lesson 3. In Lesson 3, you're going to focus on writing. Write your own game. It can be any game. Remember to use the layout that you see in Robot Wars. And the layout is a heading, main heading, introduction, subheading, and bullet points, another subheading, what the steps, what to do, and then you number the steps, 1, 2, 3, and then end off with a closing sentence. But if you don't want to write about a game, you can write also about your favorite recipe. Now, I know on lockdown you've been making yourself some yummy food to eat. What's your favorite food to make? Write the recipe and use the instructions or the layout in the Rainbow Book on page 122. Okay, go and get writing. Now it's time for some more detective stories. Lesson 4. In Lesson 4, you're going to spend some time reading for fun, and then you're going to practice starting sentences with different words. For example, you could start a sentence with last time. Last time I saw Mrs. Hodgson was in March. Try not to repeat words over and over. Use different words to make your writing more creative. Lesson 5, a language activity. The last activity is in your Platinum textbook, page 90. Bye for now. Enjoy your weekend.